What if the key to reversing diabetes and regenerating your cells wasn't in a pill, but in a fruit? These miracle fruits are packed with powerful compounds that heal your body from the inside out, restore energy, and balance blood sugar levels. Ready to uncover nature's secret to better health? Number 1. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are often called a miracle fruit for their powerful ability to regenerate cells and help manage diabetes. Packed with antioxidants like punicalagins and ellagic acid, pomegranates combat oxidative stress, which is a key factor in cell damage and insulin resistance. They also promote the regeneration of beta cells in the pancreas, improving insulin production and glucose regulation. Additionally, their prebiotic properties support a healthy gut microbiome, crucial for better metabolism and reduced inflammation. For optimal benefits, diabetics should consume half to 1 cup of fresh pomegranate seeds daily. This provides about 12 to 15 grams of natural sugars balanced with fiber, which prevents blood sugar spikes. If fresh pomegranates are unavailable, 2 to 4 ounces of unsweetened pomegranate juice can be taken, ideally before meals to enhance glucose control. Consuming pomegranates on an empty stomach or as part of a low-glycemic meal ensures maximum absorption and effectiveness in managing diabetes. Number 2. Papaya. Papaya is a miracle fruit for diabetes, renowned for its cell-regenerating and blood sugar-regulating properties. Rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, vitamin C and E, and enzymes such as papain, papaya helps combat oxidative stress, which damages pancreatic beta cells. By supporting these cells, papaya enhances insulin production and glucose regulation. Its high fiber content slows sugar absorption, stabilizing blood sugar levels, while also aiding digestion and reducing inflammation, a common issue in diabetes. For maximum benefits, diabetics should consume 1 cup of ripe papaya daily, equivalent to around 150 grams. This portion provides essential nutrients without causing blood sugar spikes. It's best eaten in the morning on an empty stomach or as a mid-morning snack to optimize digestion and nutrient absorption. Avoid overripe papaya to minimize sugar intake. Adding a sprinkle of lemon juice enhances its antioxidant effects, making it a natural and delicious ally in managing diabetes. Number 3. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are true miracle workers for anyone managing diabetes. These fruits are loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber that protect your cells and help your pancreas work better by reducing oxidative stress. Plus, their soluble fiber like pectin slows down sugar absorption, keeping those blood sugar spikes in check. And the bonus? They boost your immunity, fight inflammation, and improve your heart health, all essential for diabetics. So, how much do you need? Try eating 1 small orange, half a grapefruit, or squeezing the juice of 1 lemon daily. Whole fruits are the best choice because they pack fiber. You can add lemon juice to warm water in the morning for a refreshing metabolism boost, or use it as a zesty salad dressing. Skip the sugary citrus juices though. Make citrus fruits a daily habit, and you'll feel their power to support your health naturally. Number 4. Grapes. Let's talk about grapes, a small fruit with big benefits for diabetes and cell regeneration. Grapes are packed with resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that helps repair and protect your cells, including the beta cells in your pancreas that produce insulin. They also contain polyphenol that improve insulin sensitivity and help keep blood sugar levels steady. Plus, their natural sugars are balanced with fiber, making them a great energy boost without spiking your blood sugar when eaten in moderation. So, how much should you have? Stick to half a cup a day, which is about 15-20 grapes. Snack on them mid-morning or in the afternoon, or pair them with a handful of nuts to keep your blood sugar balanced. Red and black grapes are especially rich in antioxidants. Add them to your routine, and you'll not only enjoy a sweet treat, but also support your body's natural ability to stay healthy and balanced. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are a powerhouse fruit for regenerating cells and managing diabetes. They are rich in anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect pancreatic beta cells, improve insulin sensitivity, and combat oxidative stress. Blueberries also support glucose metabolism by reducing inflammation and enhancing the body's ability to process sugar. With a low glycemic index and high fiber content, They provide a steady release of energy without spiking blood sugar levels. To maximize the benefits, diabetics should consume half cup, about 75 grams, of fresh or frozen blueberries daily. Add them to your morning oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack. Their versatility makes them easy to incorporate into a diabetes-friendly diet. Avoid sweetened dried blueberries or blueberry syrups, as they contain added sugars. Regular consumption of blueberries helps stabilize blood sugar, regenerate cells, and promote overall health, making them a must-have for anyone managing diabetes naturally. Number 6. Cherries. Cherries are a fantastic fruit for regenerating cells and managing diabetes. They are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that repair damaged cells, reduce inflammation, and boost insulin sensitivity. By protecting pancreatic beta cells, cherries help improve insulin production and glucose regulation. They also have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause slower, more stable blood sugar rises compared to high-sugar snacks. To enjoy the benefits of cherries, aim for half a cup, about 10-15 cherries daily. Fresh or frozen cherries are best, as they retain their nutrients and fiber. Incorporate them as a snack, mix them into oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie for a delicious, diabetes-friendly treat. Avoid canned cherries or those in syrups, as they often contain added sugars. Regularly eating cherries not only supports better blood sugar control, but also promotes overall cell health, making them a natural ally for diabetics seeking healthier choices. Number 7. Apple. Apples, especially with their skin, are an excellent fruit for regenerating cells and managing diabetes. They are rich in antioxidants like quercetin and vitamin C, which protect and repair cells, including pancreatic beta cells, improving insulin production. The skin is packed with pectin, a soluble fiber that slows glucose absorption, stabilizing blood sugar levels and preventing spikes. Apples also support gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria, further enhancing metabolism and glucose control. For the best results, diabetics should enjoy one small apple, about 150 grams, daily, with the skin intact to maximize fiber and nutrient intake. Eat it as a mid-morning snack. Pair it with peanut butter for added protein, or slice it into oatmeal or salads. Avoid apple juice, as it lacks fiber and can cause blood sugar spikes. Incorporating apples into your diet regularly helps stabilize blood sugar, supports cell regeneration, and promotes overall health naturally. These miracle fruits can transform your health by regenerating cells, stabilizing blood sugar, and combating diabetes naturally. Packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients, they offer a powerful and delicious way to support your body. Embrace nature's gifts and take a simple step toward better health and wellness today. You might also want to watch this video for other powerful fruits for diabetes. And please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.